Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is an awesome update on the WordPress side. This is a search and replace tool for any of the high-level WordPress hosting stuff. So the idea here, right, is that this is designed to kind of simplify database updates and reduce a lot of reliance on third-party plugins or manual scripts. So this feature basically enables users to safely and efficiently modify content directly within the high-level WordPress dashboard, and it's available on both live and staging. So the idea here is there's a native search and replace tool, and you can go in and quickly search for specific strings across the database and optionally replace them, all from a guided, intuitive interface. So this tool supports common use cases like updating domains after migration or converting HTTP URLs to HTTPS, fixing malformed or duplicate URLs, replacing email domains in bulk, or just general text replacements overall. So it's very cool. So when you get a chance, obviously go and check this out. I love that the team made this happen. It's integrated under the WordPress tools, safety first UX. So the idea here is to kind of really guide you through it so you don't accidentally make a mistake. Gives you a preview before you do the replace, which is awesome. And again, works across both the live and the staging environment. So hopefully you can test it out in staging before you do it in your live environment to make sure you got kind of what you want it done. And now why does it matter? Of course, database level updates are frequent and a critical task for agencies and developers. And so by kind of putting this in natively, we should make your lives a lot simpler and a lot easier. So anyways, when you get a chance, go check this out. I hope you're having an awesome Monday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.